Today we are going to talk about our EA project of the A2 topic, which is in 2 Moon. So I'm Pankin Fai.
I am Nikon Lam.
I am Xin Tin.
I'm Lam Ho Yin Billy.
And I'm Wong Kar Ho Jackie.
Okay, our A2 topic, which is a topic for the development in 2 Moon, and really our project is encompassed for a 430-story residential tower and with 2-story podium, a clubhouse, and an outdoor swimming pool, and also the ground floor landscape area and a 15-meter wide waterfront podium will be constructed. In this project, we are going to use about the eco-conscious method for the precast concrete panel and also the green roofs. First of all, for our master programming, as shown, our program will be last for among 2 years, and there will be 4 sections divided. First of all, the section 1 is about the site enclosure, surveying, and also the site formation. And going to the section 2. The section 2 is about the bulk run and 2 residential tower construction, which included the foundation, ELS construction, ball powder construction, and the cap construction for the foundation, and the podium, and also the clubhouse, and then will be the 30-story residential building, which included 7 days cycle of the structural construction, and also the architectural surface construction with the brickworks finish, painting, glazing, and also the MEP construction. Also about the lift and store installation too. Besides that, the section 3 will be the block 3 and also the block 4 construction, which excluded the podium and also the swimming pool and the clubhouse. And last but not least will be the section 4. The section 4, which is included waterfront, promenade construction, and the landscape works. Also, because our residential tower is too near to the street, to the highway street, so we will also will have the noise barrier construction too. And that's all of our Gantt chart presentation. So let's move to the second part.
As for the organization charts, because we are employed as a site planning engineer in a main contractor, so our company just needs to need a number of professionals to undertake special tasks to finish this project. As you can see, our organization chart, we have different members to finish this project. You can see we have the contract manager as construction manager, senior project manager, and project manager. And under the project manager, we have different parts, which is the site agent and the senior project engineer and the safety manager. This is 3 main parts to the front line and need to maintain the project. And you can see as the engineer part, we have different departments. You can see we have the civil engineer and structural engineer, building service engineer, and MEP engineer, and the environment engineer. As for the civil engineer, because our project need to have a 15-mile waterfront and swimming pool, so this is task for a civil engineer. And the structural engineer need to follow the founding and the EIS after the building superstructure, and the building service engineer also need to follow up the superstructure, and the final MEP engineer need to follow the lighting and plumbing this task to finish the project. And the next slide. And you can see this is the other at office department. So we need to have other like site card, like surveyor and QS to help finish the whole process. And this is our part. Thank you.
Next, you can see the green part is our decided to construct the noise barrier. This construction detail is being submitted to give more detail the construction of a noise barrier on the Yip-Wong Road that is too close to towers 3 and 4. All works, including demolition work and installation work of noise barrier, should be carried out by night work because we want to minimum the effect of the people and the car. There are approximately 190-meter noise barrier to be constructed at mast into the nail plan. All welding work will be completed at a daytime in the site area. All transportation of all required material by using lorry cranes and work at height will be used the system platform. Now I will show you the construction detail of the noise barrier. First, we will brief the workers, including method and sequence of the work, site instruction, approximate plan and equipment to be adopted, and all potential risks and hazards to do with the site work. Ensure all required work permits are posted in the work area. First, we will remove the existing barrier by using handheld tools and erect the temporary T1 water barriers to fence off the traffic light and pavement. Inspect and carry out setting out to existing site condition. Next, we will fence off the working area by using a red barrier with a warning notice and remove the brick and soil of the bridge surface. Next, we will install the precast concrete curb to provide a stable base for installing the barrier by using a lorry crane. After that, we will install the prefabricated steel plate and steel post to the precast concrete curb by fixing an anchor bolt. Upon completion of fixing work, we will do the pole test. Last, we will lift the noise barrier panel into a place between the screw the panels to the post using approximate thickness and ensure they are correctly arranged. Last, we will install the door to access maintenance path and acoustic seals to close gaps. Apply anti-gravity coating to the noise barrier. For all works are done, conduct inspection to ensure the barrier meets all safety and construction standards. Perform shoot level testing to verify that the noise reduction meets the project requirement. Also, we will make good the gap or between the road and the noise barrier. Next.
This site layout of physics plan, our site offers and position on both the left and right side on the site, ensure easy access for personnel avoid from various directions. This payment facilitates the efficient management for the different this overseas, enabling quick communication and coordination across the site. In the centralized storage area and the streamlined operation, the storage area located at the bottom part of the site. Away from public access, the interference serves as the cost for material storage, specially designed to accommodate precast concrete panels and other construction material. This area is fundamental to in maintaining and organization and efficient material for the steel bending yard for operation synergies adjacent to the storage area like the steel bending yards. By centralizing this operation, we have significantly reduced the transport distance for steel reinforcement, thereby optimizing the transition for preparation to use and sync productivity. About the temporary access road designed for minimal destruction, critical components of our logistic plan in the temporary access road that traffic the site. This road is constructed to facilitate the movement of vehicle and equipment, ensure that the transportation does not interfere with ongoing construction activity. The advantages of our site layout are multiple, by position storage and health deliberate area away from the public. We are minimum noise and dust pollution, contributing and better environmental control. The centralized steel bending yards reduce the handling of material, decrease the likelihood of damage of delays.
Okay, let me go to my part, which is talking about the machine that is used in the whole project. As the project has divided into different parts, and different parts may be using different types of machine, I will explain it into part by part. The first part is about the site holding. It is the first stage of our construction project. And for this part, we will only use the architectural foam lifts, the truck mob crib, and the generator. As we need to work at height for may be need to well at height. The RT visually twin foam lifts may be used for providing a safety environment for them to working at height. And also, as is the start of our site, where the crowd crave may be not prepared. In this case, we may need to go the truck mob crave maybe 24 tons for used for delivering materials. Last but not least, we need to provide enough electricity to provide to our workers and machines to work. In this case, generator is required. And also, as mentioned before, welding works is required in site holding. So the welding machine is also in this stage, and we are going to use the HK200A type of the welding machine. Going to the next part is about the foundation part. In this stage, we need to use more machines for the foundation construction, including the bore machines, the casting rotator generator, RCD, car cranes, power pans, construction bomb truck, excavator, air compressor, and the generator. Some of machines are used for PGO, and some of the machines is going to for ball firing, and some of the machine is for delivery works, while some of the machine is for concrete. And the next part is talking about the ELS part. As ELS is also included in our project. In this case, and in this project, we are going to use the sheet pile and the truck for our ELS. In this case, the hydraulic sheet pile drivers, pile crane, excavator, weighing machine, generator, and the RT even foam lifts is included in our ELS part. For maybe working at height or providing electricity, or even for material delivery and installation, these machines are important. And to the last part is about the building part. In this case, maybe only the tank cliff and the concrete bomb truck is required in this part, and the tank cliff will be talked in the next part. So this part will not be mentioned. And finally, is about the noise barrier. As it is also included in our project, and as we are going to build the noise barrier on the highway, we need to use a small platform for working at height. So the scissor platform is used, and also the truck mob crib for 24 tons is also used for material delivery. Next part.
As for the layout of the site tower crane, we have used the model is SK415/20. Each reach for 20 meter and 15 meter, minimum for 20 meter and maximum for 50 meter. And for the reason we set up 4 tower, we have the crane one is about to set up to center because we can effectively to serve the broad one with a radius cover the material storage for the precast concrete for this block. And the second is the place strategically to serve block 2, while also have a assist the steel reinforcement stage. And the third one is can minimum to noise distribution as along one row. And the 4 is service to block 4. Is carefully to concern to cover the of the radius to ensure safe operation near the road. As for reason to set up the tower crane layout, it's about the effective placing each can reduce the travel distance to living material and improve the operation effectively, and the noise and can reduce the noise because we have we consider the timing is during the scientific time. Special consider is near the one row, and this is our presentation, and thank you.